Hi guys, welcome back to Till Vacuum Do Us Part. Today I'm sharing my weekly cleaning routine with you. Okay, so the first area that I like to touch every week is our bathrooms. We have 3 of them and I make sure they all get a deep clean once a week. So that's tubs, showers, toilets, countertops, sinks, and mirrors. Everything, even the floors. So every surface gets touched in the bathroom and gets a good deep clean. Now I do go in there daily and just kind of tidy up, and that's part of my daily cleaning routine. And I've also made that video, so I'll link it up above if you haven't seen my daily or my as needed. But I do like to just do one deep clean once a week on our bathrooms. The second thing that I do is wash our sheets. So every week I make sure it's not a set day, but I make sure my bedding gets washed and my daughter's. Now I don't touch the guest bedroom every week because somebody's not in there every week, but my bedding and Savannah's bedding do get washed. Now as far as, the sheets get washed every single week, the bedding on top I do about every other week. I like to clean my comforters and pillow shams and all that a lot too, just because we get allergies here in Oklahoma. So I'll do like the comforters every other week, but the sheets get cleaned once a week. The third thing I always do during the week is dusting. So we have a pretty new house, but we live here, the doors are open, there's pollen, there's dust, there's always something. So I do dust weekly. Our front door gets pretty dusty. My fireplace, for some reason, it holds dust really well. Like shutters, windowsills, dressers, anything like that, I like to just go through once a week before it gets too bad. And then it's never just a lot of work. So once a week, I'll run through my house, dust everything off, and then I'm done. Number 4 is my desk and vanity here in my beauty room. My vanity is painted white and I wear a liquid foundation, so it just always gets dirty. I could probably clean it more than once a week, but I wipe it down once a week just to make it white again and not like a tan beige, especially around like the drawer and the handles where I pull it out. And then my desk, I wipe down once a week because I live here editing and emailing and commenting, and it's glass. So fingerprints get all over it. I eat, drink, everything from here. So these are 2 areas that I touch every single week just so I have a fresh start and something clean to come into at least once a week. Okay, and number 5, the last thing that I do weekly is laundry, and this isn't once a week, this is actually twice a week. Now when I filmed my laundry day routine, and I'll link that up above, I was doing it daily, but I just felt like I was always having something to do and it never ended. So now I've switched to 2 days a week. I do it typically on Sunday or Monday, and then on Thursday or Friday. So just either one of those, and I space the days out, and I feel like I actually get a break from it and that I'm not doing it every single day. Okay guys, that was it. That was my weekly cleaning routine. So you guys have got to see my daily cleaning routine, my weekly cleaning routine, and my as needed cleaning routine, and I'm sure all of yours look completely different. This is just what works for me. I hope maybe you found some ideas, or we'll get to tweak yours around a little bit and make it, just work better for you. If you guys aren't following me on Instagram, I'd love to have you over there. And if you haven't taken the time to check out my Amazon store, I'd love for you to look at that. I try to keep it updated for all of you. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.